Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox 3 kits that I purchased from Joann store. This beautiful red flower, Santa Claus, and Mandela, or Mandela, I'm not sure what the right equivalent, what syllable is stressed, but all these 3 kits are from Diamond Dots company. They were all on sale and cost around $14. So, if you want to see how they look inside, stay with me. Let's start with this gorgeous red flower. It comes packaged like this. This is a full round drill diamond painting. It contains 13 colors and the size of the design is 30 by 30 centimeters, 12 by 12 inches, which is pretty small, but as far as I see on the picture, it turns out really very detailed. Oh, look how cute it is! It is so tiny! Only 12 by 12 inches, but I really like how it looks even on the chart. As always, amazingly high quality fabric pattern. It is a polyester, as you can see. Very clear symbols, well recognizable. Here they are. Really nice. And as far as I understand, this one is color related. It has the poured glue on it, no double-sided tape, and I love working with poured glue because it doesn't create air bubbles, so it's really very nice to work on it. And 13 colors, full round drill diamond painting kit. Now let's have a look at the diamonds. I wonder if it contains any ABs in it, because I was planning to add a few AB and crystal accents to this beautiful kit. These are gorgeous, beautiful, very vibrant and bright colors. A lot of red shades in there. Of course, I'm not going to replace any red color in there because it has a lot of shades and it should blend in perfectly. And for it to blend in perfectly, I need to use these drills only, the drills that I included in the kit. Now when I'm looking at it, there is only one AB color, this one, the yellow one. Actually, I was planning from the very beginning to add yellow AB over here and symbol, but it already comes with it, which is great. A few brown shades. And I was thinking actually to add, to modify this flower with a few crystal accents, and most likely it will be purple one, because as far as I understand, like if you look at the flower, you see this purple sparkles on the flower. I'm not sure what exactly it is, a water drop or whatever it is, but it represents a sparkle. At least when I look at the final result, that's what I see. Like these dots are like some kind of a sparkle on the design. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace these 3 colors of purple with crystals, maybe even with ABs. It depends on whether the color that I have matches the one that this kit contains. I'm not sure. But I will definitely replace these 3 with the crystals or ABs for sure, because I want to show this effect of sparkle on the flower. As to other colors, I will leave them the way they are. So, isn't it a beautiful kit? And of course, it comes with a standard set of tools and a few Ziploc bags, as all Diamond Dots kits do. So, let's move on to the next kit. The next kit is Santa from Diamond Art, Diamond Dots. This kit looks really very detailed, although the size is 30 by 30 centimeters. So the artists who work for diamond dots worked really very well for this very design. Looks very itemized. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit that includes 22 colors. When I saw this kit, I couldn't believe at first that it was 30 by 30 centimeters because, again, of the detalization. Then I thought that it could be actually partial, but no, it is full and it has a lot of definition. Now, I was planning actually to modify it with AB diamonds, especially when it comes to the snow. Here, falling snow on Santa's hand. But if we look at the diamonds that this kit comes with, we can see that it actually includes white ABs, so I do not really have to make anything up. It already comes with those colors that are required for the kit without any substitution. I wouldn't risk replacing any other kits, especially red ones or darker diamonds, because there is really no need of it. I wouldn't want to do crystal or AB background. I tried it once and it didn't look well on another diamond painting, and I wouldn't want to risk replacing any colors on the on Santa's cloth, because again, I'm pretty sure that the designers who worked on this kit knew what they were doing, and his clothes looks also very detailed because of a great color blending. So I wouldn't want to mess it up by replacing a wrong shade of red, for example. The only thing that I was thinking to modify, maybe his glasses, like the glass on the glasses, if it is possible to say so, with transparent crystals to again show this glass transparency effect. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do it, but I might. But other than that, I wouldn't want to add any ABs or crystals anywhere else except of the snow and maybe the glasses. That's it. So really very nice kit. Most likely I will be working on it in December, maybe in the end of November, closer to Christmas. At this point, I don't feel like working on Santa because it's fall. I want to work on something, fall-like, or some present for Thanksgiving for my colleagues. Moving to the next kit. The previous two were pretty small, 30 by 30 centimeters. And this one is so tiny. Look at it. 20 by 25 centimeters, 8 by 10 inches only. This is a partial diamond painting kit, a flower Mandela. This kit includes special shade beads, AB diamonds, and regular resin drills. I am not a fan of mandalas. I've never even heard about them. I learned about them like a few months ago, maybe from cross stitchers. I don't know why, but cross stitchers love doing mandalas, at least Russian ones. But this very design attracted me with its colors. Really very bright, vibrant, and I like the color combination. And pink is one of my favorite colors. This pink is very bright pink, like in Russia we call it pig's pink, but I like it. So I was looking at it for some time. It was not on sale, but as soon as it went down in price, I decided to get it. Especially that I worked with special shaped kits only once when it comes to diamond dots, and they were they were special shaped ones, but more common ones, nothing extraordinary. And these ones are very interesting to work with. Look at this. So, although this kit is really very small, it contains 18 colors, which is a lot. So I hope it will turn out to be beautiful. Now let's look at the drills. And here they are. Look at these vibrant, bright colors. These are for special shape drills. Big pink ones, red, purple, and yellow, kind of pearl ones. Now, this kit also includes a few AB diamonds, for example, a blue one, a yellow one, and green one. Most likely, I will leave the green the way it is, but I might replace this pink with AB crystals. Amazing color. I used it before. It turns out gorgeous. Can you imagine crystal plus AB on it? As to this one, I'm not sure. If I find the crystals of this shade, I might. I don't believe I have any red AB diamonds. Maybe I will replace one of orange ones if again I find some similar shades. And I might also modify this color with darker AB. As far as I remember, I have it. So beautiful, beautiful colors. And most likely I will work on it pretty soon, as soon as I'm done with my current project and this flower, because I like to work on something small in between the projects. The majority of my projects are pretty big, and I just want to relax for a day or two, diamond painting something like this, something small, quick, partial. And I don't think I will have a problem looking for a frame for it. 8 by 10 inches is the standard size. And what else I wanted to show you is this frame diamond painting kit. If you follow my channel, you saw it yesterday. I showed it to you, completed kit that my daughter finished. And today I went to Michael's and I purchased this frame for her because tomorrow she's going to the church and she actually wanted to give it as a gift to God. But I guess she will use a priest as a third party to give it to God. So in reality, she will give it as a gift to the priest. And in order for us to do it, I needed to frame it, and it was pretty hard to find the frame of the size 3 by 3 inches. There are 2 by 2, 2.5 by 2.5, and etc. But I was lucky enough to find this one. 3 by 3, so I think it looks cute. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.